Hi everybody, my name is Sarah Lean and I'm a cloud advocate at Microsoft. Over the past few years I've become quite efficient at using PowerPoint, and today I want to share one of the tips that I've come across that might be able to help you. So let's dive in. So often when I'm building my PowerPoint presentations, I have a graphic or a picture that I want to use within my slide deck, but I don't want that background that's with that picture. So I can use PowerPoint to actually remove that background and not have to jump into another bit of software. So let's have a look at how we actually do that. So here I have a picture of me with a fairly neutral background, but it should work with a busier background. If we click on the picture, we get an extra menu button at the top called Picture Format, and if we click on that, we're given a bunch of options along that slide deck, or that tooling, that gives us some options to edit this picture. If we click on the Remove Background, the artificial intelligence will have a look at that image and try and determine what we want to remove, and everything in this pink colour or purple colour wants to be removed. Now it's not quite got it right. It's going to remove some of my hands and my arms, so I want to edit that a little. So if I click on the Mark Areas to Keep button, I then get this little tool that I can use, and if I highlight some of the area that I want to keep and let the tool do it itself, it starts to change that. Now it's cropped out still a bit at the bottom, but I'm happy with that. So I click on Keep Changes, and the background's removed. I now have the picture of me without the background. So if I take this picture and go to another slide, remove this graphic and copy that image in, I've got myself without that background, and I can easily put that into a slide deck and move forward with my presentation, all within PowerPoint. Hopefully this tip has been helpful. Thank you for watching.